Hi everyone! This olive is so cute. Sit. No, sit. No, good boy. Ciao. Choo-choo. Welcome. And today we are going to make a fruity bubble tea. And before, so let's see. We have like so many ingredients on hand. And it's so easy to make. Just pick anything here and we could make a fruity bubble tea already. So I'm gonna choose basically a popping boba. No, today I'm gonna make something with strawberry popping boba. Very versatile, very easy. Something to contrast the popping sensation that you'll have. Let's go with the coconut jelly. Bit crunchy but super cool. And for the fruit flavor, today I'm gonna use lychee syrup. Very nice if you don't know what lychee is. It's a tropical fruit. Very yeah, it's just so exotic and so nice. You just have to try it to know what it tastes like. And of course some tea. I have already pre-made my jasmine green tea with this little cute tea bowl. Look, so cute. So yeah, and then with our bubbler, you know, my favorite thing to make a bubble tea, the bubbler, simply because it's big enough for me. And of course you can then use any cup that you have. Yeah, so let's go! My jasmine green tea. So remember, I pre-made the tea already. I'm just gonna sweeten it up with the lychee syrup. So, sweet. It really depends on how sweet you want your tea to be. For me, 2 is more than enough. Perfect. Then, the coconut jelly. I really like how crunchy these coconut jellies are. And they really add more texture to your bubble tea. One more. Strawberry poppers. So pretty. Red and white, so cute, no? The Swiss flag colors and also the Singapore flag colors. And I found some rosemary from my fridge today. And for all of you who know Bubblish, you know that rosemary is a very big thing at Bubblish. So nice. Gonna add it. Crush it a little bit before adding. Really, I mean aesthetically it looks so much nicer, no? I mean you will see the complete product later, but and lemon. Just a small little slice. Very tiny, I know. And now some ice. For the final bit. So this is your bubble tea stuff and the tea and completed! My Bubblish bubble tea, strawberry coconut jelly with rosemary and lemon. Let's taste test. And the way I like it, I really like to crush the rosemary a little bit to release the oil in the rosemary. And with the lemon, really up to you. I just like to crush it one tiny bit for the lemon juice. Literally just one tiny crush. Yeah? Okay. Perfect! Now you see how easy it is to make a bubble tea in less than 1 minute. You can literally use any kind of bubble tea ingredients that you want. But if you're thinking where we get our stuff, so check out our online shop here. Here. Today I've shown you how to make one kind of fruity bubble tea. Let me know your comments, what you like and what you don't like about this in the comments below. I'm gonna make more videos in the future to show you what flavors go with what. Like and subscribe for more. See you!